popping? What the hell? Come on, man. Stupid Make sure this angle good. He doing crazy stuff. What's poppin', family? On my way to the crib. Coming from my sister's house, man. I'm tired of hell. But man, I just popped up here to chop it up with y'all, man. Trying to see how y'all boys doing. Y'all let me know, like, y'all boys having a good day, a solid day, a okay day. I'm having an okay day. Earlier when I was on my way to my sister's house, man, I hit a pothole. That was so nasty. Flattened my tire. I had to put the donut on. Riding on the donut right now, man. That's crazy. They need to fix these roads, bro. This is insane. Like, come on, dog. We drive on these roads. Y'all ain't repairing nothing. Y'all ain't doing nothing to the roads or repairing them when it comes to our cars that need to be fixed. Cause some on these roads, some pothole or something. I don't know, man. It'd be crazy. Y'all just don't understand how many times I didn't have to put this spare tire on, bro. You know it's so, bro, I'm finna need a new spare. I'm finna need a new spare tire, dog, for real. What the that's crazy. This is like, come on, bro. If it ain't a nail, a pothole, or something, I'm too close to this truck. I wish I would let a rock hit my windshield, bro. Boy, them Jeeps, I don't know what Jeep did when they made them newer Jeeps, but I swear to God, the headlight look just like police headlight. When they coming at you and you looking at them in your rear view, I'm buying too many trucks, bro. When you looking at them Jeeps in your rear view, them boys look like 12. I gotta get that sound fixed. I don't know if y'all can hear it. It's like a little squeaking sound. I definitely gotta get that fixed. So, back to the donut, man. I'm finna need a new spare, bro. This is crazy. I'm a spare. Come on, man. Why did I get over here? And I'm finna get right back over. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's an open space. But, bro, my spare been... Damn, buddy. Come on. Just stay over there. That big ass truck. My spare been on the car longer than any tire, bro. And then, low-key, I'm not even gonna lie. I need to check that rim to see if it got rim damage. Because I already know on my driver's side, it's bent just a little bit. But I don't know if y'all can see it. Right here, it's just flashing 0. The tire in the trunk. It's in the back. Hey, what Reed say? It's in the car. It's in the car. Nah, for real. The tire in the car. No bull. Damn. Y'all getting over lanes like that? I knew it was a Toyota. I ain't gonna lie. After you drive for a minute and you seeing all the headlights, My nigga, what was the point of that? What really was the point? You was over here. What the hell, my nigga? Bruh tripping. Bruh is tripping. Not one signal was used. But that's what I'm saying. Bruh was in the lane to the left of me. Then he got behind me. I mean, he really didn't get behind me. He just flew over to the other lane over there. And then gonna get back in front of me. And then gonna do that. Like, bro. And then ain't none of y'all gonna get over for them. You clearly see. Like, bro, I hate when people do that, bro. I hate when people do that. Get your over. If you pay attention, you can see. You can see for you. Hey, y'all just seen that? That shit was hard what that Honda just did. Hey, only car people will understand that though, for real. Y'all won't even peep that. And I got that on camera. He rolled by. Hey, look. Hey, what they say? Get my good side. Cause my donut over there. Ah, man, that was crazy. But nah, y'all wouldn't even only car people understand that. Bruh flew by, he threw his hydrants on real quick. You gotta be able to read the situation. Like, read the situation. Read what's going on. Wasn't nothing going on to what Brett needed to throw his hydrants on. He liked my car. That's what it is. Cause you know how I know? I do the same thing. When I see some, man, come on. When I see something crazy, you best believe I'ma tap it. I got it so down packed now. I don't even let the button actually press. I just let that boy go in. Now let me focus up, cause Brian ain't gonna lie. I'm finna be a lot more careful, but I'm finna show y'all what my bro. Watch. I'm finna show y'all. If it ain't no cars, I'm gonna show y'all the pothole. I'm gonna take a picture of it. No, for real. I'm gonna take a picture of it. I ain't gonna lie. I probably put that whole clip of me walking up to it, cause bro, I'm tired of using my spare tire, bruh. This is ridiculous. My spare tire I mean, I get it, it's for emergencies, but Jesus. Come on, man. I keep putting this boy on. I hate this turn. It's so stupid. Let me be careful right here with my spare tire. Ugh. One, this boy dark as hell. But I fuck with y'all, man. Y'all know I gotta show y'all. I gotta show you. And I ain't gonna lie, when I come on this street, I never be on over there to the right, bro. I be in the middle, cause the whole right side fucked up. Bro, if it ain't no cars around, bro, I'm finna get out and take a picture of that pothole. And it's so crazy, cause nigga, I was right here changing my motherfucking tire, bro. And there was somebody else like around this corner right here changing their tire. I asked them, cause I had walked up to him and asked him, I'm like, they needed some help. He needed a wheel lock. I ain't got no wheel lock. Turned out that nigga hit, look at that damn pothole right there. Look at this shit. That ain't the one though. It's another one. Cause it was up here. I'm gonna put the motherfucking seatbelt back on. It was another one, and it's on the right, well, it's on the left side now, but it's on the left. It's on the right side. Where is that mud? Is it this one? that motherfucker. Hell no, it ain't that one. I think it's this motherfucker right here. Yeah, I think it's this. Let me see. Yep. I think it's this motherfucker right here. That motherfucker. Or is it another one? Hold on. Cause I really don't feel like it was right. I think it was that one because I don't see no more. Yep, it was that one. But then look at this. Look, bro, what the fuck, nigga? Come on, fix this shit. Oh, look at this, bro. Oh, I think it was that one. You can't even see that boy over there. Ain't nobody behind me. But look, that boy in a cut. Man, I had to show y'all that. That's crazy. And then look, hold on. Y'all must have thought I was done. Hold on. I got something for you. You in for a treat today. I would take, matter of fact, I ain't even gonna not do it. I'm taking a picture. Oh shit. Oh. You see all these cones and all this? You see that? Bro, they need to put it right here too. Look at this. You see this? Look at this. Boy, I'm finna get out and show y'all. Just cause I fuck with y'all. Look at this. This in the middle of the street though. This in the middle of the street though. You feel me? Like, what are we doing, bro? Look at that donut. And I know, I tweaked. I was just in a rush, I was in a rush. I know donuts go on the back. But I was in a rush and I'm finna, golly, this a little tight squeeze they got for us, huh? But I don't know what that sound is. I gotta get that shit fixed though. I'm not gonna seatbelt on. But no, I was in a rush. I know donuts always go in the back. Oh. But man, that's neither here nor there. I'm low-key hungry, but I got some soup in the fridge. Well, not even the fridge. It's in a microwave. But yeah, man, that was a little quick POV. Y'all boys let me know did I hear a train? Yeah, I did. I'm not going that way. I was thinking maybe it'll go by, but hell no. Why are so many cars in McDonald's? They open. I think that's gonna end today's POV, man. Let me take a little pause right here. I love y'all. We gon'